welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Udita Singh and today I am here with a fantastic English lesson to improvise your vocabulary. As I know, we all are seeking for a fluent manner of English. So, how to become fluent in English? There are two ways to get fluent in English. One is listening and the other one is adding new words to your vocabulary. So, how about it if we add some new words or new smart words and new advanced English words to enhance our vocabulary, which you will use in your daily life and become up to mark in English language learning. I'm here with some new advanced English words which you can use in your daily life and become more confident in English language learning. So let's get started. First advanced English word is candor, which means the quality of being honest and straightforward and openness of mind. This word is originated from Latin candor, which means extreme brightness or whiteness. So, it shows a characteristic of a person. Here I am with some example of candor. You must treat this matter with candor, as if I am having any situation where I have to keep my mind in a one-way direction, which means not to be partial. Next example is the quality of candor is often hard to find in people nowadays. It means people are not having these straightforward minds and the way to express their thoughts in a proper manner. And the another example for this is candor is an important virtue in life. The second English advanced word is extol. Extol stands for glorify or honor or praise. So, this word is originated from Latin. Don't you think the word praise is overused? In the place of praise, you can use the word extol. It will enhance your level of English. So here you are with some examples. He was extolling the virtues of the internet. It means a person is telling us the advantages of internet. Another one is she was extolled as a genius. It means a girl is praised by a teacher or her parents. The third advanced English word is catch-22, which means an impossible situation in which you can't do the one thing unless you have done the other one, and you can't do the other one unless you done the first one. Maybe slightly confusing, so let me give you an example. As you want to work in an institution and there is no job without experience and no experience without a job. So, it is a kind of catch-22 situation where you are slightly confused. Catch-22 was coined by Joseph Heller in the same book Catch-22, where he described contradictory rules to soldiers during the World War II. Another example for catch-22 is you need a bank loan because you don't have enough money, but you will not get that bank loan unless you prove that you have some money. The another unique word is demure, which means shy or modest, often in a playful manner or in a provocative way. If we goes to the origin of this word has its origin from Old French. So let's practice this word with few examples. The first example is Sirat sang in a demure voice which the judges were unable to hear. And the next example is, although Nikita may appear demure and shy, she will speak in front of those she loves. As I am providing you with so many new words which you can add in your vocabulary, if you want to be professional, use these words in front of your friends and colleagues and amaze them. The next word which you can add in your dictionary is atrocious, which means evil, cruel, offensive and horrible. This word can be used when you wanna explain any situation which is very bad, horrible or terrible. So it's time to know from where this word has originated. This word has its origin from root word atrox, which means terrible or cruel. Now let's have some examples. The first one is prisoners are treated in an atrocious manner in prisons. The another example for atrocious is the effect of corona is atrocious in India. Atrocious is also used in daily life when you wanna exaggerate someone's wrongdoing. As for example, her dressing sense is atrocious, her table manners were atrocious. So these examples can help you to explain someone's wrongdoing or bad things. Here I am giving you a tip to pronounce these words correctly. Always use these words in your daily conversation or try to repeat these words 5. The another word which I am giving you is flummox, which means to confuse. It means to confuse a person in that manner so they can forget what they have to do. As you all know, confused is overused word. So why don't you use flummox in the place of confuse? So here are some examples. The first one is the girl were completely flummoxed when the tutor asked a question. Here comes the next example, and the next example is the baby is flummoxed while looking herself in mirror. As I had given you so many words which can clarify your way of speaking, so just be careful while using these words because it will give you a new direction and a new way. And do not forget that correct pronunciation is must. Hope you all loved this lesson. I'm ending this lesson on a happy note of your great response. Thank you so much.